Hi, my name is Trishana Martin. Today's date is January 30th, 2021. This presentation experiment video is for my micro lab class. And this is going to be the week 2's assignment part 2. It's the bacterial enumeration, dilution, and plate counts. Alrighty. So pretty much because this one does have a few extra steps, including you having to melt things and all kinds of stuff. So I'm just going to pretty much show you my workspace area. I did pre-label a few items just to kind of pass on the time. And I'll show you my melting process. I just started at about, let me write it down because I like to write stuff down. What time is it? Sorry. It is, so I probably started that boiling process about 11:05. Sorry, I like to mark it so I can know the finish, the beginning and end times. Alrighty, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip the camera so you guys can see my workspace area. How you do this? Uh-oh, sorry, it's harder with the gloves. Alrighty. So as you can see, there's my yeast, paper towels, gloves. I do switch my gloves out a lot just because I can't reuse gloves like that. And the cup for my yeast. I did, again, pre-label just to help me out a little bit, the Petri dishes. I don't need this anymore. Sorry, this was for the last one. I still have my my labeled nutrient broths, the E. coli, because I feel like I'm gonna have to use those again. I do have my temperature, because in a minute I am going to have to take the temperature of the water just to, I think it's supposed to be at 90 degrees in order for it to melt. My alcohol cup, of course, and while I'm here, I'm just gonna go ahead and suck some alcohol in there so we can keep a sterile feel. Okay, and here, I did pre-label the tubes as stated in the instructions. You can't really see, but it's gonna be 10-1 through 6. Okay, and of course I have my clamps here, distilled bottled water, and my pen. Okay, so I'll flip it back over to me, and I'm gonna walk you guys over to the process. Again, I just started this about 5 minutes ago, so it's still in the process. Everything's looking good. So far, the hardest part was keeping the tops on and them not falling in the water. So this process probably takes about an hour for this to melt. And again, it's looking good. Probably another 15 minutes or so, I'll check the temperature of the water just to make sure everything is moving accordingly. Right now, what I can do, sorry, I'm really trying to operate. This is, woo, need a camera person. What I'm gonna do, I will start this part, and I always keep a good checklist for when I do my experiment videos. And we're not supposed to use any cards, but I just, want to make sure I have everything. That helps me out a lot, a ton of time. Even when I'm going through the instructions, I like to check it off. It just seems like it works perfect. Again, I sterilize my field, and since I am waiting for the solutions to melt so they can go into the Petri dish, I will go ahead, and I still have some leftover yeast, which is cool, from the other experiment video. I'll try to do this. So I have my cup yeast, and I couldn't find the the 1 teaspoon, so I have the half teaspoon. So of course it's saying that you have to let me see how much teaspoons of the, see, yeast packet. So 1/4. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. I thought it was, let me get another. Well, I can do it from here. It's fine. So pretty much what I'm going to do, I have to change it out, but I don't want to waste too much more time. I have to get 1/4 teaspoon of yeast. I'm putting it in my yeast cup, And then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of warm water, and I'm just gonna mix it together until it dissolves. And then again, like the same process in the other video, you have to wait about 10 minutes. And I call them like the little foamy bubbles to come up. And that's how you know your yeast mixture is ready. I don't wanna waste too much more time because I thought I had the right one and I don't, sorry. But that's what I'm gonna be doing now. At the same time, waiting for my water to boil. So then I can put the solution in my Peachtree dishes. And I wanted to point out, I did not open it, and they are upside down. So this is the top, and I made sure that I put the NA on the bottom. And I'm probably gonna add yeast to that, and 10.10-1 on each one. I haven't decided how I'm gonna do that yet. So really excited, you guys. This one is taking a little bit longer, but I'm excited to see how it turns out. I will tune you guys back in a couple of days just to check on the results of our experiment, and we'll see how it goes. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you guys soon.